Reeling from the unexpected words of your canine companion, the silence deepens around you. The dim light seems to pulse in time with your heartbeat, and you sense that something extraordinary is unfolding in this quiet room. Your dog, seated before the untouched bowl, now regards you with an intensity that transcends the ordinary. In that moment, you realize that this is not merely a complaint about food, it is a call for recognition, for a deeper bond that transcends words and routine. Gathering your courage, you speak softly into the stillness. Why do you speak, my friend? What is it that you truly desire? In this simple act of sharing a meal, you have overlooked the essence of nourishment. Not only must food fill the belly, but it must also feed the soul. Each ingredient, each flavor, carries a story of care, of passion, of life itself. Those words stir something deep within you, an echo of forgotten moments when every meal was a celebration of life's abundance, prepared with intention and love. Moved by the unexpected wisdom, you decide to transform your next meal into an act of reverence, a ritual that honors both your own needs and the unspoken desires of your loyal friend. Imagine now that you prepare a fresh dish. Each slice of meat, every spice and herb, is chosen not just for sustenance but for the memory it holds, for the story it tells. In this moment, you are no longer merely feeding yourself or your dog, but nourishing the very connection that binds you both. As the aroma of your freshly prepared meal begins to fill the room, you place the bowl before your companion. The silence returns, but now it is layered with anticipation, a quiet pact between two souls who have transcended the mundane. This is the nourishment I sought, a meal prepared with care and purpose. Let this be our promise, that every shared moment, every meal, shall be a celebration of the life we lead together. Dear viewer, as you listen to this unfolding tale, allow your mind to paint the vivid details, the transformation of simple ingredients into an emblem of care, the deep, soulful connection between man and his faithful companion. Let these sounds, these words, remind you that even in the simplest acts, there lies the power to awaken something profound. Thank you for journeying with me through this surreal encounter. If this story stirred your imagination or touched your heart, share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us continue to find magic in every corner of our everyday lives.